Hello everyone! Today we're crocheting a super cute keychain or bag charm. Prepare your 2.5mm yarn and 2.5mm hook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch until the end to support the channel. Let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring and make 7 single crochets inside the ring, then pull the ring tight to close the center. Great job starting strong. Tip: pull the magic ring firmly so there is no hole in the middle. Next to round 2, make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. That means 7 increases and you will have 14 stitches in total. You're doing amazing already. Tip: place a stitch marker in the first stitch to help you keep track. For round 3, repeat the pattern, 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 7 times around. At the end, you will have 21 stitches. Beautiful progress. Tip: always count your stitches at the end of the round to avoid mistakes later. For round 4, simply make 21 single crochets around, nice and steady. You're building the shape perfectly. Tip: keep your tension consistent so the surface looks smooth. For round 6, make 5 single crochets, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 5 single crochets, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and finish with 5 single crochets. Take your time with this. Round shaping rounds are important. You're doing great. Tip: work slowly on increases to keep the piece symmetrical. Next to round 7, crochet 25 single crochets around. The body is getting fuller and rounder now. Beautiful work. Tip: gently shape the piece with your fingers as you go. For round 8, make 5 single crochets, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 5 single crochets, 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and finish with 5 single crochets. Decreases help form the shape nicely. Keep focusing. Tip: use invisible decrease for a cleaner and more professional look. For round 9, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat this 7 times around. You're almost closing the body. Amazing progress. Tip: if needed, lightly stuff your piece before the opening becomes too small. For round 10, make 7 decreases around. Pull the yarn tight to close the hole and fasten off. And just like that, the body is complete. Wonderful job. Tip: use a yarn needle to weave in the ends neatly. For the ears, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, then make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. Repeat the same steps for the second ear. For round 1 of the tail, start with a magic ring and make 5 single crochets. Pull tight to close. Great start. Tip: a tight magic ring makes the tail firm and neat. Next to round 2, make 2 single crochets in each stitch, around 5 increases total. You will have 10 stitches. Keep going confidently. For round 3, make 10 single crochets around. Simple and steady, you're doing fantastic. For round 10, make 5 decreases to close the tail, fasten off, and leave a long tail for sewing. Excellent work. Tip: lightly stuff the tail before fully closing if you want it fuller. And now your crochet piece is complete. I'm so proud of you for finishing this project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to support the channel. Remember, watching until the end truly helps us create more free tutorials for you. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!